Your YouTube channel can be hacked in just one click. Thousands of creators wake up one day to see crypto scam live streams, deleted videos, or their channel completely gone. In this video, I'll show you exact steps to fully secure your YouTube channel and block hackers permanently. Watch till the end. One setting here can save your entire channel. Most YouTube channels are hacked because of simple mistakes, not advanced hacking. The most common reasons are weak or reused passwords, fake brand emails, and sponsorship scams, malware from cracked software, no two-step verification, old recovery email or phone number. Hackers don't attack YouTube directly. They attack you. Method 1. Use a strong and unique Google password. First, secure your Google account because YouTube runs on Google. Your password should be at least 16 characters long. Include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Never be used on any other website. Best practice: use a password manager like Google Password Manager, Bitwarden, 1Password. Never save passwords in notes or screenshots. Method 2. Enable two-step verification. If you skip this step, your channel is not safe. Go to Google Account, Security, Two-Step Verification. Enable Authenticator app, Google Authenticator or Authy. Backup codes. Save them offline. Avoid SMS-only verification. SMS can be hijacked using SIM swap attacks. This one step blocks 90% of hackers. Method 3. Secure your recovery email and phone. Many creators lose channels because recovery info is outdated. Check. Recovery email must be active and secure. Recovery phone number, current SIM. Use a different password for recovery email. If hackers control your recovery email, they control your YouTube channel. Method 4. Beware of fake sponsorship and copyright emails. Most channel hacks start with a fake email. Urgent copyright issue. Brand wants to collaborate. Download file. Google Drive links with exe or zip files. Sender email not ending with @google.com. Never download files from unknown emails. Never log in via email links. Always check sender domain carefully. Google will never ask you to download software. Method 5. Protect your computer from malware. Hackers often steal sessions using malware. Do this. Avoid cracked software. Install a trusted antivirus. Keep browser and OS updated. Check browser extensions. Remove anything suspicious. One infected PC can destroy your channel. Method 6. Use channel permissions correctly. If you work with editors or managers, go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Permissions. Give editor access, not manager. Never give full control unless absolutely trusted. Remove access immediately after work is done. Many channels get hacked by inside access misuse. Method 7. Monitor security alerts and login activity. Check regularly. Google account, security, devices and activity. Look for unknown devices, new login locations, security alerts. If you see anything suspicious, change password immediately. Log out of all devices. Recheck two-step verification. If your channel is hacked, go to Google Account Recovery immediately. Secure email first. Submit YouTube hacked channel form. Do not panic or delete account. Faster action equals higher recovery chance. Your channel is secure if strong, unique password, two-step verification enabled, recovery info updated, no fake extensions, no cracked software, safe email habits. If even one is missing, fix it now. If this video saved your channel, hit like. Subscribe to Mendit Tech for real security guides that actually work. Comment "secured" if you've completed all steps. I read every comment.